Are you a low IQ gamer just like me? Well, then chances are you've been spending hours on end trying to get Fallout 4 mods to work. Well, lucky enough for you, your search has ended. So I spent 2 days of constant trial and error trying to get this to work, so then I could share it with you guys. If you always wanted to become your dream anime waifu, well, with Nexus mods on PC, you can! Now, all of this might look like a bit of a daunting task at first, but let me assure you, with my help, it'll be a cakewalk. So first off, if you want to go to nexusmods.com, I'll put a link to this in the description. This is where you're going to get all your mods, but we're not going to worry about that yet. You want to sign in, it should be around up here. I've already done that, so I can't show you how to. So once you've signed in, you want to go to Nexus Mods Vortex. I'll put a link to that down there too. You want to download the latest version of Vortex. Already done that. It should be pretty simple. If you can't figure that out, then you're not worthy of mods. So you want to open up Vortex. It should ask you to sign in using Nexus. So you want to do that. So this next part, I've already recorded this multiple times. Should be pretty simple though. You want to look up Fallout, and then Fallout 4 would be down here, but I've already selected it. So use this as an example. You would click Manage. So now it's going to be here. So it would automatically find Fallout 4 in your game files. Now there are a couple different ways to get Fallout, and for both of these methods it works. I'm sure some of you might be wondering, can I mod using the Xbox Game Pass version of Fallout? And the short answer is yes, you can. The process is just slightly different, so I'm going to show you how to do both. So for this right one, this is going to be the Steam one. This left one is Xbox. So if you're Xbox, then pay attention to this left one. So to find the Xbox file of Fallout, you want to go to your main driver, Xbox games, and then Fallout 4 PC content, and this is the main area you're going to be using to get mods. I mean, to enable yourself to get mods. So there's the Xbox version. Now to find the Steam version, you want to, kind of the same thing, but not really. You want to open up your main driver, program files 86, and you want to go down until you find Steam, Steam apps, common, and since I don't have Fallout 4 on PC, it would be one of these games. You see there's other Steam games, so it would be in here. Alright, so now that you've actually found your Fallout file, you might be asking, what do I do next? Well, I will show you. So you want to open up Fallout 4. These files are the ones you already want, are the ones you want. So if you look in here, and they are not there, I'm going to show you how to get those. So you want to open up a new tab. Put that over there. And you want to go to Documents. Hold on. You want to open up My Games. You want to open up Fallout 4, nothing else. Wait, not Fallout 4, my bad. You want to open up Fallout 4 MS. And you want to take Fallout 4 prefs.ini, Fallout 4 customs.ini, and Fallout 4.ini. So for any reason you don't see the custom one, that's because you need to start playing the game. So like at least get to the point to where you've talked to Codsworth. So that's why that's not there, because if you haven't played, then that's not going to show up. You want to just put those over there, Fallout 4.ini, custom, and press. So now that you've done that, you want to open up Fallout 4.ini. You want to scroll down here to where it says SResource data, dirs final equals strings. For you, it's just going to say the part that I've just selected. It's just going to say that. You want it to say all of this, because if you just keep strings, it'll only look for that whenever you can enable the mods, but whenever you go into the game, they're not going to show up. So if you add textures, music, sounds, etc., then whenever you add the mods, the game will actually look for those mods to add. So I'm going to put that in the description. It's from here on out. Copy that right here, nowhere else. Alright, so that's the hard part out of the way. You've already finished all of the hard part. So now what you want to do is go to Fallout 4 Nexus and find a mod you want to download. I found this one. I've already downloaded this one. I just went and deleted this from here so I could show you. Put the link to this down there if you want that. You can find a lot of different mods here, but you just want to click Vortex and slow download. It should only take like a few seconds because this one's pretty small. And whenever it's finished, you should see it up there, downloading from Nexus. And then you open up Nexus, and there it is. It should download pretty fast. However, if it is a really big one, you'll see it in downloads. It'll be downloading, like this one, for example. That was a decently large one. You'll see it in here. However, most mods aren't that big if they're small. You know, if they don't advertise adding a lot to the game. So now that you've successfully installed any mod you want and you've selected enable, if it says disabled, just click it again. It'll say enabled. So after you've done that, you can go to mods, load order, and make sure that it has been enabled. If it's not there, either it doesn't work or sometimes they don't show and they still do work. So you're gonna go into the game to see if it has worked. That's pretty fast. Alright, so the mod I installed pretty much just makes it to where it was called press X to Sean. It literally just makes it to where whenever you press X, your character says Sean. Sean. While I'm holding Sean. Yeah, well, that mod worked. I really hope this tutorial helped y'all figure out how to mod Fallout. I made this because there weren't really any up-to-date, like, recent videos on how to do it, because, they changed a couple things. So it made me a couple days, I spent a couple days trying to figure this out, so I really hope this helped y'all. If it did, please drop a like, that would be pretty cool, and comment if you have any, questions or I did something wrong. I can, respond to that and help you out. Thank you for watching.